Hi guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I have an unboxing of some acrylic powders and some acrylic powder swatches from Nail House. I got some really beautiful colors here. I am using everything with my Koopa odorless monomer, and this brush is a number 8 Kolinsky brush from Nail Supply Glamour. So this is the first color. It is a soft pink. It's a really beautiful, really light pink color. Definitely a universal color. I really like this one. And I also really like the formula of their acrylics. It is a formula where it's a drier formula, kind of like a thicker consistency. And when you place it down on your nail, it just kind of stays there and waits for you to manipulate it. So I really do enjoy it. And again, this is with my Koopa odorless monomer, so it works really well. This color was one of my favorites. This is 24K. It is a beautiful gold color, and it has tons of gold flakes in there as well, and some are holographic and some aren't, so it's a really unique color. I absolutely love this one. Yeah, so again, their formula is really good. Again, I am using it with an odorless monomer, and it's working really well. You guys can see it just stays in place where you place it. It doesn't run or anything like that. I really don't like runny acrylics, so I really prefer this thicker consistency formula. If you guys are looking for a similar formula that's a little bit cheaper, Acrylic Creamery on Etsy has great acrylics. Sorry, my dogs are in the background, but they have great acrylics. Same formula, super thick formula. I don't know how to explain, but it's like a moldable formula. It's like a clay formula. And yeah, I really like them. I did do a video on that before. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I am going to continue on and swatching these colors I got from Nail House. I really do enjoy the formula, and it works really well with odorless monomer, so I'm sure it's going to work great with regular monomer as well. Again, using the Koopa odorless like I usually do. I love this color, you guys. I don't know how to explain it. It's called magenta, but I think it's like a darker, maybe like a burgundy with magenta. It's really pretty. I love this color. It has like blue undertones. I just think it's such a pretty color. You guys can see how it just stays in place there. Really beginner friendly and easy to work with, so I highly recommend these. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I do lots of acrylic nail tutorials, polygel nails, gel nail tutorials, and also lots of nail product unboxings. So make sure you are subscribed. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoy these swatches. And I did want to mention that I got these a while back. I just have not been able to post this video. They were having quite a big sale when I got them, but I don't think that they are super expensive acrylic. Some of these are 2 ounces, some are 1 ounce. This color here is a super popular color, so I was excited to try it, and I still don't know how I feel about it. It's called Trophy Wife. It is a hard to explain color. It has like a milky white semi-transparent background, and it has tons of shimmer in it, so it's really pretty. I just don't know yet how I feel 100% about the color. Here I was stirring it up to see if I could get more of that glitter color to come through, but yeah, I know it's a super popular color. So again, it's called Trophy Wife, and it is it's hard to see on here, but it is like a semi-transparent color, and it has a lot of shimmers in it. So you guys can see just how it stays in place, those beads, until you go in and work with them. So I love that formula. It is the easiest for me to work with. I do not like any runny formula, so this is really nice. You guys can see that semi-transparent shimmer color. And yeah, I really did enjoy all of these colors. They're super beautiful. Again, that 24 karat K is my, and you guys see how you can still work with it. Like I showed you how I just tucked in that swatch. It just gives you time, a lot of time to work with the product, which I absolutely love. Yeah, so this next color, I believe is, yeah, it's a cover color, and I think it's called Cappuccino. It's a bit of a different cover color. It has like a nude grayish color. It's really pretty though. I really like it. So this is a cover color from them, meaning you can build this up. Like it has strength and you can build it up and you don't need to encapsulate it in clear. And yeah, you guys, I think that is all the swatches. I hope you guys enjoy this acrylic swatching video from Nail House. Again, these are all from Nail House. They have a website, Nail House. And yeah, this one is the grayer color I was talking about, mauve. It's really, really pretty. I really enjoy it. And this color was one of my favorites also. I keep on saying that. But I really like this one. This one was just a straight up shimmer color and it was so beautiful. Really, really iridescent and really, really beautiful. So I highly recommend this one as well. And yeah, they have a website if you guys are interested. I did buy these with my own money. This isn't sponsored or anything like that. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, again, these are from Nail House, and I'm using the Kupa odorless monomer from Kupa's website. Highly recommend. An awesome monomer. Doesn't smell at all, at all. Yeah, so thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Sending everybody lots of love. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.